Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss whether reading of current affairs magazines alone is enough for current affairs preparation or not. So recently also I received a query with respect to when I talked about newspaper reading. Some of you have raised the query with respect to if I am skipping the newspaper and looking at only the current affairs magazine, is it enough? Is it a good strategy? Is it an ideal strategy? Will it really be a problem, etc.? So what I can tell you is my experience in this arena, that is I was reading newspaper on a daily basis. It's a habit that I developed very early on, even before my preparation started, and also I was supplementing it with current affairs magazine reading. I was referring to the Vision IAS Day, monthly current affairs magazine, and I was just revising through the things that I've already learned in my newspaper reading processes along with the current affairs magazine. Now, one of the things that I think will affect your preparation if you're looking at only the current affairs magazine is that in the monthly magazine, it is very difficult for you to remember facts and figures and incidences because you're not revising it on a daily basis. And at once when you see a lot of material and there is a lot of current affairs for you to revise, it becomes really difficult. On the other hand, if you've gone through the newspaper on a daily basis and you have read the news on that particular day itself, while you see the current affairs monthly magazine, you will feel the ease of remembering the events or recalling the incidences that have occurred, which is a good thing that will help you. And also I feel that adopting such easy strategies may not help you in the long run, because even if you take a little bit more of effort to read the newspaper on a daily basis, it will create a whole lot of a difference in your answer preparation. So also I feel that whatever is covered in the newspaper, everything cannot be covered in the monthly magazine, because they need to make it into a short, crisp version where a lot of things will be missed out also. So if you're reading it on a daily basis, there are certain more areas that you can cover through the newspaper other than what is covered in the monthly current affairs magazine. So I feel that it is always better to supplement and also selective reading of the monthly current affairs magazines. Also don't go through multiple monthly magazines. Also reading of one monthly magazine, if you're properly reading the newspaper, is good and enough for you. And also for the mains perspective, I believe that the editorials that come up, the deep analysis that the newspapers provide, that is not available in the current affairs magazine as well. So maybe in a prelims perspective that will help you, but when it comes to the main examination, your opinions, your viewpoints, your criteria of assessment will be entirely different, and that perspective you can garner only from reading the newspaper, is what I believe. So I would definitely encourage all aspirants to go through newspapers as well as monthly magazines, but also it's a quality that you need to develop, because later when you become an officer also, the habit of newspaper reading should never stop and should continue. So it is, the earlier the better you develop this quality, it's going to really help you. So that is what I believe. So I hope that you all got a perspective with respect to why you should read a newspaper or why you should supplement a newspaper reading with a current affairs magazine as such. I hope you guys are preparing really well, and as always I'm going to introduce you to my book, Defeat Discoveries. This is a book that will help you sail through all the emotional turmoils, all the difficult times that you have during the preparation process. So this was written in a time in my life where I was going through a very tough phase, and all the emotional difficulties that you can't share with anyone else as an aspirant during the preparation phase, that has been covered in Defeat Discoveries. It's really going to help you and be your companion throughout the preparation phase and as well as later on in life. So I hope you all check it out. I will add the link of the book in the description box. You may read it and make it your companion for your preparation and for your life also. So as always, if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be ready to help you. I wish you all the best for the preparation. Until the next video, it's a goodbye from me. Thank you so much.